Tinginan pa rin, tinginan lang.
Wala.
Nice one. Okay. Ayos ako mag How's your prenup?
Ay, masaya po.
It's fun.
Ganito pala no, first time.
Ay,
First time pa lang. Kasi
Yeah.
isang beses lang.
Isang beses
First time.
lang. Yeah, but anyway,
Enjoyable naman siya.
ayun. So para na rin kayong parang pre-wedding talaga.
Yes.
Okay, so this is our couples and our photographer, videographer, and of course, Narda. Bye! Okay.